I'm about to show you how to make a lot of easy profit by building these simple rustic trays. First thing as always, throw on them safety glasses. So we're going to use this live edge piece of white ash to build this. It's got some nice natural stuff going on to it that makes it nice and rustic. But I see a lot of people making them out of actual like 2x4s and like pickets and stuff like that. So you can make it with anything, but we're going to use this right here. So the first step is we're going to have to sand that bad boy. So now that we got this bad boy front and back sanded up to 220, and the nice sides, look at the sides, I love it on the live edge. Now we're going to take our speed square, and we're going to put us what we think is straight, what looks straight on here. I'm going to think something like that. It's okay if it's not perfect. And we're going to head to the miter saw. Alright guys, so now that we got our piece trimmed off on the side here, we are going to probably make these trays just a foot long. Put a mark on 12 there, mark on 12 here, and we'll line up those two. And we'll head back to the miter saw. So now that we got our first piece cut out, we're going to do what we always do and just use it, because we're going to make a few of these here, show you how easy and fast you can do it. Just make you a line and go back to your miter saw, and we're going to cut as many as we can out of this piece. Alright guys, so now that we got all 4 of our trays cut out, I'm just going to go by and tap it with our sander here on the edges and stuff to get the little edges rounded over a little bit and get them sanded up. So I'm going to do that really fast. Now that we are finished sanding all of our pieces, we're going to put a little bumper on the bottom of these. So we're going to measure out 6 inches on this little 1x1 here. Just put a mark, a little other mark down here. We'll get a straight line on her. And we're going to go cut out, since we got 4 pieces, we're going to need 8 of these 6-inch pieces. Let's cut them out. So now that you got all your little 6-inch pieces cut out, what we're going to do is we're going to take one of them, put some wood glue on there just like that. Get her nice and rubbed in. Hit it all over the piece. Then we're going to put her probably here. Put you a little bit of wood glue. And now you're going to sit it on there. Just like so. And hit it with a brad nail. Just like that. And now we're going to repeat the process, put another one on this side, and go through all of our pieces. Now that we got the project completely built, just like that, you see that's how it's going to sit on the countertop. Now we're going to throw some stain on them, and we're going to use red oak. So we're going to bust this open and throw some stain on them. All right, guys, it's that time. Our stain is now dry. These are 4 of our trays here. I've seen some things on Etsy. It looks like they're selling anywhere from like $25 and up, usually around $25 to $50. I'll put some pictures in right now. Let y'all check it out. And that's going to be the end of this video. We appreciate everybody coming by, watching. Make sure you hit that sub button, smash that like button, share this video. If y'all want to check out a few links, I have a merch link right below, and I also have all the links of all the tools that I use and that I recommend. Other than that, we appreciate everybody for stopping in, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.